guys, it's your girl Jelly back with another video. In this video we'll be talking about travel tips and tricks, how I packed my carry-on bag for those international trips for 5+ days. So I'll be going to Mexico in a few days, and I figured while I'm packing, why not give you guys a little video about how I pack my carry-ons, everything that goes in it, all the thought that goes into it, and just give you guys a little something to help you out whenever you guys decide to travel. So as you guys can see, I have my two Delcy luggage bags here. These are the luggages that I use for carry-on. This is my carry-on size bag, and then this is my under the seat tote bag. So you guys will see exactly what I'm going to be putting in both of these bags and how I pack sufficiently for my 5-day trip. So tip number one, I would say pack for what you need. Don't overpack. Everybody thinks they want to have so many options. I'm going to wear this, I'm going to wear that, and really, you're not going to wear everything. You know exactly what you're doing each day, for the daytime, for the nighttime. Go ahead and just put those outfits together from head to toe, including your jewelry, your underwear. Have all those outfits figured out so that way you're not going over in clothing or in shoes.
So here I have all of my shoes and all of the bags that I will be carrying throughout my trip, ready to go. And then here I have all of my nighttime outfits already. I only need 4. And these are my daytime outfits, including my workout outfit as well. And of course, gotta have the bathing suits, and I'm only bringing 1 cover-up.
Tip number 2, maximize your space. Know how to pack these things into a small bag. You don't want to just fold your clothes like you regularly fold them to put them away at home. You want to really get them in your bag nice and tight so that everything can still fit comfortably and your bag can close correctly.
Alright, so first I put my bags in nice and flat. Then my shoes go right on top of that. Then I put my undergarments in the top mesh portion of my bag. Now here I'm putting outfits within outfits to go ahead and fold them up, or roll them up rather, like so. And then just keep doing that with all of them. I put my jewelry in this old pouch, Michael Kors pouch. Throw that in there, and cannot forget my headscarves.
Tip number 3, you want to make sure you have your toiletries in a carry-on size bottle or package. Buying little bottles like these from like your local 99-cent store, Bed Bath & Beyond, anything like that. These are like your little travel size bottles. I just have my oil in this one, and then in this one I have my foundation. So I buy a bunch of these little things to just put my little items in, my Listerine, my oil, my shampoo, all of that goes into one of these types of bottles. Speaking of toiletries, tip number 4, you want to make sure all of your toiletries liquids are in a pouch on their own and away from your clothing. You never want an oil stain or lotion stain or any goo of any sort to get on any of your clothing. And last but not least, tip number 5, keep those important items and documents ready and easy to reach. In my case, I will keep those items in my under the seat bag.
For me, those items are my airport socks, my airport blanket, my passport ID, of course, my cell phone, wallet. I even just throw my makeup in there. Then I have my sunglasses, all of my chargers for all of my devices, headphones, any camera equipment, and feminine product pouch.
Because even while I'm traveling through the airport, it will be the bag that is closest to me and easy to open, as well as while I'm on my flight.
Alright guys, we're all packed. And then this extra little red zipper here is for extension, but in this case, I don't need it. I love the slip on the back of my under the seat tote. I can just throw it right on top of my luggage, and these 4 wheels make it easy to maneuver. Thanks, Delcy.
Those are my tips and tricks for packing your carry-on bag for an extended amount of time. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. And comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell as well so that you can be notified when new videos are posted. Thank you guys so much. Love you. Bye. Tip number 4. You want to make sure all of your... Alright, so those are my travel tips and tricks. These are the things that I put in my carry-on bag, my under-the-seat tote, and